Nagpaplano ba kayo pumunta ng Taiwan and looking for how to book cheap hotels in Taiwan? Don't worry, I got you. Number 1, book in advance. Especially during peak season, matataas talaga ang prices ng mga hotels and even hostels. Number 2, free cancellation or free rebooking. Para kung magkaroon ng mga changes sa plano nyo, hindi masisayang ang pera nyo. Number 3, travel rewards or points. Para every booking nyo, nakakakuha kayo ng rewards or points na pwede nyong gamitin sa next booking nyo. Number 4, read reviews. Pay attention sa guest feedback kasi dun yung mababasa at makikita kung malinis ba talaga yung hotel, malapit sa mga location ng tourist spots, at yung mga amenities. Para walang gulatan pagdating nyo yung hotel at hindi kayo magre-rebook dahil hindi nyo nagustuhan yung na-book nyong hotel. Number 5, book via Klook and use my code TRAVELYKLOOK to get 5% off on booking your Taiwan hotels.